Good morning all of you. In the last class we have done the estimation of different items of work of a single room building using long wall and short wall method. And today we are going to do estimation of different items of work of a two room building using long wall and short wall method. And it is asked to estimate the quantities of following items of work such as earthwork in excavation, cement concrete work in foundation, brick work in foundation and plinth, cement concrete work in damp proof course and brick work in superstructure. So see, this one is the plan of the two room building. This building is having two rooms. One room is of size 4 meter by 6 meter. That means 4 in this longitudinal direction and 6 in this transverse direction. And another room of size 6 meter by 6 meter, that is 6 meter in this longitudinal direction and this 6 meter in this transverse direction. And all the walls are of same thickness, that is 30 centimeter. There are two numbers of door which are marked with D and 4 numbers of windows which are marked with W. There are two shelves which are marked with S, and this one is the sectional elevation of a wall by taking this cross section AE. That means this is the sectional elevation of this particular wall. So here all the walls are of same size and all the walls are having same foundation details. So one sectional elevation is enough for doing the estimation. So see, you can see here this sectional elevation, this one is the ground level which is marked as GL, and the bottom portion is made up of cement concrete. Then above this cement concrete there are 3 numbers of footing. The first footing is of width 70 centimeter, second footing is of width 60 centimeter, third footing is of width 50 centimeter, then above that there is plinth wall of 40 centimeter width, and this one is the your superstructure wall having width 30 centimeter, and all the thickness of the footings are given. Here the ceiling height, that means the superstructure wall is of 4.2 meter height, and here the doors and windows are also given. The door size is of 1.2 by 2.1, that means 1.2 in the length and 2.1 is the height of the door. Similarly, window, the length is 1 and height is 1.5. Cell is of length 1 and height 1.5 meter. Okay, then before going to the estimation of individual item, first we have to find out the center to center length of both long wall and short wall. So here you can see, generally the wall which is running longitudinally, we will take that as long wall. That means there are these two walls will be considered as long wall. This wall and this wall will be considered as long wall, and the wall which is running transversely we will consider that as short wall. That means these 3 are considered as short wall and these 2 are considered as long wall. So first we will calculate the center to center length of long wall. Okay. So for finding out center to center length of long wall, first we will find out what is the in to in length of this long wall, total in to in. So, this will be equal to how much? 4 plus the wall thickness 0.3 plus this wall thickness 0.3 plus then another room of size 6 meter. So, this is the in to in dimension of the whole long wall starting from this wall up to this wall. Starting from this to this. So, this is the in to in dimension, which will include first the first room, that is of length 4 meter, then plus 0.3 is the wall thickness, then plus 6 meter, that is the length of another room. Then in order to get the center to center length of long wall, so with this in to in wall, when we will add half of the thickness of wall on both the side, we will get the total center to center length. That means we have to add here, because we need the center to center length. So, we will simply add the half of the width of the wall on both the side is 30 centimeter. So, we will simply add half of the width on one side and half of the width on another side. Then we will get the total center to center length of long wall as 10.6 meter. Okay. Now, we will move to our short wall. That means first this one is the center to center length of long wall, center to center. Okay. So, this center to center length of long wall is 10.6 meter. Then what about the center to center length of short wall? Okay. So, similarly, this one is the center line length. Okay. So, what about this length? So, the in to in dimension is given as 6, and when with this we will add the thickness of wall on both the side is 30 centimeter. So, when with this we will add half of the width on both the side, then we will get the center to center length of short wall, which is equal to 6.3 meter. So, length of long wall, center to center length of long wall and center to center length of short wall is clear. So, this is calculated here. Center to center length of long wall is 4 plus 0.3 plus 6. This is the in to in dimension of the whole building. With this, when we will add half of the breadth, that is breadth of the wall is 0.3, on both sides we will get 10.6. Similarly, for short wall, 6 is the in to in dimension along the shorter direction, and with that when we will add half of the width on both the side, wall thickness, we will equal to the length of the center to center length of short wall will be equal to 6.3 meter. This part is over. Then we will move to our first item of work, that is earthwork in excavation. So, now we have to prepare the details of measurement form, which is having different columns such as serial number, particulars of item, number, length, breadth, depth, quantity, remark, as we have already done in our previous estimation. So, now we will move to the first item of work. So, here we will put the serial number 1, and under particulars of item we will write down the name of the item, earthwork in excavation. So, as we are going to do the estimation using long wall and short wall, we will write down long wall in first row and short wall in the second row. So, first we will calculate what is the quantity involved along long wall, and then we will calculate what is the quantity along short wall. So first we will move to long wall. So see here, as we know, the earthworking excavation is to be done under the entire wall, and in this work the earth needs to be excavated from the below the ground level in order to prepare the space for your cement concrete work as well as foundation work. So this is a cubic meter item and it has length, breadth as well as depth. So first we will go for the calculation of length of this excavation work. So for this excavation work, the width of this excavation work will be equal to the width of the bottom of the foundation, because that much width of earth is to be excavated. Therefore, for calculation of long wall, first we will draw the plan of the building at this foundation level. Now we will draw the plan at the foundation level. Okay. So as it is the foundation level, therefore the width, this one is the center line length, and the center line length is same for all the items of work as the footings are symmetrically placed. Therefore, this width will be equal to this width on all the side will be equal to how much? This will be equal to the width of the cement concrete work, that is 1.10, because the width of excavation is same as width of the cement concrete work. So this width in all the side will be 1.10. Okay. So first we will go for the calculation of length for long wall. So long wall, this one is the long wall. Okay. Okay. So this long wall length, how we will get the length of this portion? So as we know, the center to center length of long wall is 10.6 meter. That means this length is 10.6 meter. Okay, 10.6. So in order to get the out to out dimension of the long wall, this width of the wall is 1.1. So when with this center to center length of 10.6, we will add half of the width on both the side. Here the width is 1.1. So when we will add half of the width on both the side, so we will get the dimension of the total long wall. That means 10.6 is the center to center length, and with that when we will add half of the width of the work, and here the work is earthworking excavation, and the width of earthworking excavation is equal to your width of the cement concrete work. So that is equal to 1.1. So here we will add half of the width of 1.1 on one side and half of the width of 1.1 on other side, which will give us the length of the long wall, that is equal to 11.7 meter. Okay, clear? So this is the length of the long wall. And what about the breadth? The breadth is equal to 1.1 meter. Clear? And what about the depth? As we know, the depth of the excavation work is equal to the depth starting from the ground level up to the bottom of the foundation. That much of depth of earth is to be excavated. So which is equal to, here you can see all the individual dimensions of your concrete work and footing are given. So simply by adding all these we will get the total depth. So see, 30 centimeter plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20. That means your 50, 60, 70, 80 and 20, that is 100. That means 1 meter, 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. So depth of the excavation work is equal to 1 meter. So depth is equal to 1 meter. So this is about your dimensions of long wall. So now we will move to our details of measurement form in order to put the dimensions. So in long wall, see here, number of long wall is 2, length is center to center length is 10.6. With that we will add the corresponding width of the work. So here the width of the work is 1.1, which will be equal to 11.7. So in length column we will put 11.7. The breadth is breadth of the work, that is 1.1, and depth is 1, that is depth starting from the ground level up to the bottom of the foundation. So by multiplying all these three we will get the quantity of 25.74 cubic meter along long wall. Now we will move to our short wall. So now we will go for calculation of short wall. So for calculation of short wall, again I have to draw the plan of the building. So this is the plan of the building at foundation level. So the wall thickness will be equal to 1.1. This one is the center line length, and we have already completed the earthwork in excavation in our long wall part. So this much part is already completed. So now we are left with this much portion. So this part is only left. So there are 3 numbers of short wall, and how we will get this required length. So we are having the center to center length as 6.3, okay, and here the wall thickness is how much? This is 1.10. So when, in order to get this much of length, the remaining, the left out portion, so when we will subtract the half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, then from the center line length we will get the required length of the short wall. That means the length will be equal to, center to center length is 6.3, and from that when we will subtract half of the breadth from both the side, we will get the total length of the left out portion. That means this length will be equal to 5.2. Clear? 5.2. And the number is 3. There are 3 numbers of short wall. And what about the breadth? The breadth will be equal to, this breadth will be equal to 1.1. So this breadth is equal to 1.1. And what about the depth? The depth will be equal to 1 meter, as we have calculated in case of long wall. The depth will be same, for both long wall and short wall. Then we will move to our details of measurement form. So, in details of measurement form, see short wall number 3, length is 6.3 is the center to center length minus half breadth on both sides, that means 1 breadth, 1.1 will be subtracted, which will give us the length as 5.2 meter, breadth is 1.1 and depth is 1. So, by multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity of short wall and the quantity of earthwork in excavation along short wall at 17.16 cubic meter, and the total length will be calculated by adding up the both long wall and short wall, which is equal to 42.90 cubic meter. So, this is all about for today's class. In the next class, we will estimate the next item of work using long wall and short wall method. Thank you.